Hey guys, in this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best ceramic grill available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered it as the best ceramic grill for its quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best ceramic grills consumer ratings and reports. Number 5. Char-Griller King-Griller E1416. Cast iron grates. Wire bottom shelf. Sturdy steel construction. Easy dump ash pan. Simple damper controls. Number 4. Char-Griller E3001 Grillin Pro 40800 BTU gas grill. 40800 BTU gas grill with 438 square inches of main grilling area, 0.192 square inch warming rack. 12,000 BTU side burner. Durable steel construction. Side shelf for handy workspace. Electronic ignition. Porcelain coated cast iron grates. Utensil hooks. Number 3. Char-Griller E16620 Akorn Kamado Charcoal Grill. 2-wall insulation is excellent for slow-cooked meat, fish, and pizzas. This grill has the ability to be used as a convection oven, so you can cook desserts, cornbread, cobblers, and other similar dishes as well. Heat is generated quickly and remains intact for a long time. Number 2. Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado Cooker Charcoal Grill. A strong construction along with an aesthetically appealing design. Cooking at high temperatures is possible just like a ceramic kamado grill. Made to last long, really long. Assembling this grill is pretty easy. Great and uniform cooking results. More thorough cooking due to convection. Number 1. Kamado Joe KJ23 RHC Classic 2. A beautiful-looking ceramic grill. Gives freedom to the users to cook food at high as well as low temperatures. The top vent can be easily adjusted. Solid construction with each connecting part closed tightly. A versatile cooking unit allowing multiple grilling techniques simultaneously. Easy to clean with the presence of an ash drawer. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.